Yeah. No.
Okay. Yeah. So I would like you to introduce yourself so that I could get to know something about you.
Okay, so my name is Neetu Thakur. I was born and brought up in a small village called Bahni near Sata district of MP. And I am a teacher by profession. I have 13-year experience and I have 5 members in my family. And if you want to about my hobbies, so my hobbies are quite different. I like horse riding, tractor driving, bullock riding also. Yeah, that's it
Wow,
all about me.
that's really amazing. I like your hobbies. Like you have very quite
Yeah,
different hobbies.
yeah, when I connect a stranger person and I share my hobby, so they put up this question and someone appreciate me and ask me more about my hobby.
It's actually quite instructive when a girl or woman say about horse riding. It's really strange.
Yeah, because you know, ma'am, I am belong to a small sleepy village, so my family have horses, so it's natural. I know how to ride horse.
Okay, that's really great. So what about your English journey? I can say why
Yeah,
do you want to learn?
I already said that because I'm a teacher, so it's necessary to learn this language because I'm a teacher. So I have big time teacher, so that's why I'm learning this language. And I start this journey month of November.
Okay, that's really great. So what do you do these days to improve your English language?
Yeah, I watch lots of English content video. I connect ample of pupils.
Okay, that's really great. And what about the vocabulary? Do you do anything like to improve your vocabulary, or you just watch the video?
Little bit, not much when I get leisure time. So I watch vocabulary also. I pen down when we get new words. So this type of work I'm doing. Yeah. Pardon me,
I mean
please.
to say, yeah, I mean to say there are lots of people, you know, who just say even now they say English is not that much important, just a language. So what would you like to say to that person?
Yeah, it's definitely this language, but nowadays people, running behind this language. Everyone, no matter a small or a small place or big place, everyone behind this language. So, and people use this language. You go anywhere, you face that time so much problem. So, what is the harm to trying this language?
Exactly. And I think these days, if the people don't know how to speak English, they won't be able to crack an interview, right? They won't be able to
Yeah,
get the good salary in any company. And I think this is the only one language that can help us to connect all over the world.
yeah, because I agree with you because we go anywhere, people ask a question throughout in English. If you're not able to understand, of course you give answer in Hindi, but if you not understand English, so how you give reply any other language?
Exactly, exactly. And
And
these days,
everyone prefer English language. They if you didn't know about this language, so people are not like much more.
exactly. Because you know what they consider that if anyone is speaking English, they think that they're educated person. Whether they don't have good command over any subject, it doesn't matter. But if they are able to speak in English, they think like they have good they are good like they are educated person.
Okay,
It's like
and
that.
yeah, I want to know about you.
Yeah, sure. I would love to tell you about myself. So yeah, my name is Yasmin. I'm from Bihar and I have completed
Okay,
my graduation. And now I'm working as English teacher. And apart from this, I'm running a YouTube channel. And if I talk about my hobbies, so I love to read self-help book and talk with the people about mindset and self-growth. That's all about me.
okay. Here, glad to hear that because we start conversation. I forget to ask about you, so that's why I'm asking to you
Yeah, yeah, it's okay.
because we
So
are connected now first time.
exactly, exactly.
Yeah.
So do you have any question that you want to ask regarding English language or anything?
I have not much idea, ma'am, how I put question, how I, continue conversation. So you put question, I will try to give reply properly.
Yeah, no, no, you can ask, you can just try, you can just try if you have any question that you find it very hard to speak English, or you want to know
Okay,
anything
okay, okay.
regarding English
So,
language.
okay,
Yeah.
okay. So you connect ample of people. So sometimes you feel hesitate or nervous.
Well, now I don't. I used to feel like while I was connecting with the people when I started my own YouTube channel, but that time I would feel so nervous. I didn't know how to face the camera, how to talk with anyone in front of the camera, and in front of the like face to face like that as well. I used to feel so reluctant. But when I keep on talking with the people now, I feel like I'm confident in talking with the person. I don't feel
Okay, so
shy
you
and like that.
okay, you connect male and female both.
No, I just connect with the female.
Because you are so beautiful, and when you connect a male person, so definitely they they comment on your beauty. So that's why I'm asking to you.
It's not that. It's not everyone are not same, right? So even I teach some male as well, my students. So people are not everyone are not same, right? I can say. So I don't connect with the male just because I feel I just need only. If I talk with women and girls, so I'll be able to know more and more about them. And I love to connect
Okay.
with these kinds of souls. That's why.
Okay, so how many member are in your family?
Actually, there are 6 members in my family,
Okay.
including me. But right now we are just four. My younger sister, me, and my parents. That's it.
So okay, ma'am. So you have atmosphere at home for speaking English.
Well, no, it's not that. Even in my surrounding, I have never seen anyone speaking English.
Oh,
So
wow, that's good because your accent also good and speaking part also good.
actually, I have learned it by my own self, by YouTube channel and by books. So that's why.
So when you start your speaking journey, ma'am?
I started in 2021, the last month of 2021, I can say, in
So
December 2021.
okay, so before you start, you know about English much more, or after starting your channel, after that you become more fluent.
No, actually, I started my journey as I already told you in 2021, the last month of 2021. So from then, I started making the sentences. I would just try to talk with myself. Sometimes I would do some crack themes as well. Like I would talk in front of the mirror. I would try to record myself. So likewise, I would try to put my first to learn this language because I was extremely obsessed with this language. But if I say about the YouTube channel, so before coming on the YouTube channel, I was not able to give so much because I was not consistent on my practice. But when I started my YouTube channel, so now I'm consistent, I can say. While I'm teaching to my students, so that time I also speak in English as well.
Yeah, because you said that you asked me a question, what are you want? So lots of I have lots of questions, but I in Hindi, but I don't know how to put in the same sentence in English. I don't know, ma'am. What?
Now it's fine.
Yeah,
Yeah. So what was your question?
yeah. I'm asking to you. I have lots of questions, but when I in Hindi, I don't know how to convert same sentence in English, and I forget all the things in front of anyone and camera. So how remove that type of my fear?
At least before talking with someone, if you are initial stage, you don't know how to ask the question. So before making any conversation, you should try to write on a couple of questions that you have to ask.
Okay,
Earlier, you have to
okay, okay,
prepare, or if I say the second way, right? Second way is like I'm talking to you, right? And I'm sharing my hobby. Like I say, I like to read book. So from my hobby, you can find out one question. You
okay,
can
okay,
ask me,
okay,
why do you like to read book? And which book is your favorite?
okay,
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 like this.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I want to know which one is your favorite book. Why you reading book?
Yeah, sure. I would like to share it. Actually, I like to read books because I want to get knowledge. And these days, I'm reading Think and Grow Rich because I was reading it, but I was not I couldn't complete it. Right. So these days, I'm just trying to complete my this book, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hills. Right. So yeah, because I love
Okay.
reading and I get
So
knowledge. So that's yeah.
okay. So during the Rosa, you take session or stop taking session,
No, no. In my Ramzan, I also take this session. I also upload the video. I also teach online and offline as well.
including Friday?
Yes, including Friday. I just keep I can say break only on Sunday.
Because yeah, my friend also did fasting, so I know about this Ramjan.
Yeah, it becomes little bit hectic, but as I already make my own to-do list, so I just start my day according to my to-do list. That's why things
because
get easy for
because you know while conversation we keep continue talking, so we feel thirsty. So that's why I'm asking to you.
me. Yeah, actually it happens. But I think when I'm talking with someone, when I'm teaching, so I'm able to pass my time. I don't feel thirsty that much.
Okay,
Initially, I feel in my first and second rosa, I feel, but after I can say 3 to 4, I can say I don't feel that much.
habitual, used to. I body used to, and you take your session continue. Okay,
Yes,
and
exactly.
so you know how to cook vegetables and any other kind of food and
Yeah, yeah.
sweet
I love cooking.
sweet simai.
Yeah, yeah. I know. Actually, I know cooking. I cook veg and non-veg both. So I love cooking as well because at my home, there is no one. Actually, my mother she doesn't cook. My younger sister
Okay,
she's just 18 years old, so she's just
okay,
too cleaning. So I do cook. Yeah.
okay. So which recipe you cook very delicious?
Actually, I like zira rice, so I cook zira rice and I can say paneer. So paneer
Okay,
as zira rice that is my favorite. So I cook very well that things. Even people I can not people my friends and my younger sister they like this. Yeah.
okay. What is the secret behind your beauty and your
Actually,
smile also?
I don't know. It's a God gifted. I can say by God's grace, and because it's not in our hand, right? It's a God gift, right? If anyone is beauty, and I think upper beauty doesn't matter literally.
But your
Person has
both beauty are equal high. Your inner beauty and your upper beauty, both.
uh, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your compliment.
Welcome, 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 welcome. It's true.
Thank you so much. You're also so beautiful, and your like smile is also so beautiful.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. And if you have questions, so you ask my basket in party.
Okay, yes. So I just want to know about your teaching. Like in teaching, what is the most important thing that teacher should have to have? What kinds of qualities should have to have in a teacher?
You know, you do any kind of work, no matter. Your loyalty is most important. If you
Absolutely.
loyal your own work, so it goes smoothly and beautifully. Fantastic.
That's so true. We should have to have, I think, honest.
I'm too loyal on my work. Nobody because I'm teaching small kids, so I know sufficient sentences to conversation with my student. But I want to much more because I want to teach much more. With English. I
Okay.
want to give them knowledge for my toddler.
Wow, that's
That's
a
why,
great thing.
yeah.
That's a great thing because very few people are able to do this kinds of thing. Now they don't like they even want to contribute, but just they're very stuck. I can say in their own personal life.
I just came from home in my school. I saw a message, so I sit in one place and on fan and ready for the conversation.
That's really amazing. That's really amazing about you.
And
But
I
still
wake
very
up
hard.
at 5 o'clock in the morning.
That's really amazing. I can say I just salute these kinds of women who are like doing their job, household works, taking responsibility of their family members. It's not any small task. Everyone can't do it.
Yeah, but my kids are mature. He is running 20, so I'm free. I'm from his side, so I'm able to attend session.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. But still, you have lots of burden on your shoulder. You have to take responsibility of your family members. You have to do job. You have to cook food. So it's not an easy task. Yeah, for a
Yeah,
woman.
yeah, yeah. I have lots of responsibility, but yeah, I will try to manage all the things for this skill because this is my, goal. You can say I want to know this language very well.
That's quite smart. Huh? Women is a power. They have very different kinds of power. Yeah.
Okay. So, ma'am, you take online classes or offline?
I take both. I take online as well as offline.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's
All right, then. Do
nice.
you have any more question?
No, ma'am. Present time, I don't have a question. If you have any question and topic, so I will. We will connect next time. We discuss. If you have time, so I'm
No,
I'm
actually,
ready.
dear, I just have this session in 20 minutes. So
Yeah,
that's why I have to go now.
that I'm saying to you because I earlier I take 6 or 7 sessions, so I know this is time duration, time warning. So that's why
Exactly.
I'm asking you. Okay. So you stop
Okay, then.
recording.
Yeah. Okay, then.
Okay.
Okay, wait. Just wait a
Okay.
minute. Okay, then. Bye. Have a nice day.
Bye bye. Same to you.